Let's clear this conversation this morning on what Sora is doing in Africa and most importantly, Kenya as well. Now, into the last part of our conversation this morning, my question to you then would be just looking at what is growing in this sector that you find yourself in, or this industry, if I might call it, with a lot of 5G conversations, blockchain technology, and AI-enabled UTM for more resilient air networks. Is that the next conversation for Sora, even at a time when we're talking about you introducing this technology in Africa?
Absolutely, especially since Sora means the sky in Japanese, we are also interested in space technology like satellite and all. These cutting-edge technologies surely contribute to advance our solution to another level. As a chief mosquito officer, however, I'm committed to save people with what we can do. So my responsibility and ambition is to roll out our solution as soon as possible, because we can't wait to see another 600,000 people die from malaria.
It's important that you should be speaking about that, because I mean, we do know that drone technology is growing on a daily basis. I know you've had your roadmap now put in Africa for the next 5 years, or the economies that you want to touch in Africa for the next 5 years. But how is this emerging technology going to impact your roadmap? Is it going to change, or is it going to remain the same?
Thank you. For example, as we partnered with Exedi, which has a Japan quality spray drone. Actually, this one is not our technology and portfolio, but we are very happy to work with and partner with these companies, which shares same ambitions and commitment to fight against social issues. So we are very happy to expanding our partnership across industries, such as space industry, as well as high tech. When it comes to AI, we have very, very unique use of AI. Just like Bill Gates also said, oh, this is a cool example of AI use. So we'd like to keep it that way. And also we'd like to be a unique in the industry.
Different economies need to create what I would like to call their own talent pipeline, people who are known to be a Sora talent. What are you doing to build that talent in the African economies that you are introducing your technology?
Yes, we are hiring lots of local staffs through LinkedIn and all, and lots of candidates applying for that, and their working experiences are previously they worked as a drone pilot, for example. Those people now are looking at, this job is actually saving people, making their mother countries a better place. I'm not saying drone pilot is just for making a living, but making a living at the same time saving your own people Do you think it is a good idea to apply for SORA?
That you are targeting would provide a proper talent pool for drawing these people to SORA. Are you currently looking at collaborating with universities to sort of come up with some of even these community-based solutions that can get onboarded to SORA beyond getting that ready-made talent that may want to plug into SORA?
Yes, we have been partnering with the universities, public health institutions. We are also welcoming internship from these universities, and also some people came to Japan for government initiative, and while they are staying in Japan, they do internship with us. So, and also our Japanese governments just announced to expand support in AI education in collaboration with the University of Tokyo. So we'd like to align with this government initiative to Africa to also pool lots of talents who are passionate to solve social issues like malaria.
Let's get then to the tail end of this conversation. Is that for you to prosper in the areas that you're targeting, the NGO, the insurance and government ecosystem has to be really developed within SORA. Could you talk to us about that? How is that ecosystem forming up in the areas that you're targeting in Africa?
Yes. In Kenya, for example, there are many people working on malaria control eliminations already. So we are very happy to work with these experts and also academia and government officials. They know the problem, they know the challenges, and they know what lacks. So they are very helpful for us, and also they have asking us very honest questions. But through these dialogue and the conversations, we believe together with them, we could make our solution much better and customized to each country.
Let's talk about what you're doing as well, because I know SORA is now getting drone data that helps you work properly in the specific areas that you're targeting. If it's one thing that I know you found in Africa, is that we have failed to predict patterns, just to get proper data just to help us solve these issues. Could you confidently say from where you're sitting this morning that SORA might be the solution to prediction data, whether diseases, whether patterns? Is that what we might associate SORA with in just a couple of years of being active in Africa?
Yes, we have that I have been talking about. A malaria solution is called SORA malaria control. We have another concept of predicting what might happen after rain. We call it SORA SORA Health Intelligence Room. This is the exactly what you have imagined. We are collecting data from hospital, and also not only malaria, other waterborne diseases, and those things we put together in a single database and a single dashboard so that everyone can look at it. And this is a good idea for climate change adaptations. So together with the weather forecast, not only latest but also the past, so that we could make our AI and prediction accuracy smarter day by day. And we have done it in Nairobi already.
Let's clear like this then this morning. I've got one final question for you. In the next 5 years, especially in Africa, but most importantly, Kenya, what do you want to be the biggest takeaway for Kenya in as regards Sora's introduction of its services and its technology in this economy?
Right. As it's been like this, and it should be like this. With my hope, Kenya should be a innovation center, so that I appreciate Kenya is happy to adapt new technology like what we do, so that I trust other East African and also other African countries will follow. So our ambition started from Ghana and now expanding to the rest of Africa, and then in East Africa. We'd like to start in Kenya as our target country, and I hope to see you soon.
You soon as well. This morning we were in conversation with one Masahiro Yamaguchi, who joined the Sora team on July 1st of 2025 as the Chief Mosquito Officer. This morning talking about what Sora wants to achieve, what it has already achieved in the areas that they've introduced themselves in, especially in the Ghana market, and talking about what AI and drone technology can do, not just to logistics, but to agriculture and health at large. Mr. Masahiro Yamaguchi, thank you very much for joining us this morning, sir.
Thank you very much.
And you
see you soon in Kenya.
Social media platforms. I am at Kia Gesemba, and that's it this morning.